Tanner, you want to introduce the new vehicle to the house?
Can you see me? Is it too dark?
No, we're good.
We're doing this at midnight?
Yeah.
99 Fox Body Mustang. 5.0. 5-speed. Bone stock. Minus some exhaust stuff.
So, this is the car. Pretty good shape. It's had a new paint job. It's got some dope chrome wheels. We're gonna yeet them soon. And it looks like a FC RX-7 in my opinion. So Tanner decided to take off the H Pipe tonight and got a, did it even say what brand this was?
Jegs.
It's Jegs? Jugs?
Jegs, not jugs.
So it's a Jegs H Pipe. It's a bigger pipe.
No cats.
So look,
None of that emissions garbage.
these two pieces connect right there. Those are 4 catalytic converters. I'm gonna yeet them.
We're gonna sell those cats to somebody for $5 a piece.
And then this new pipe plugs into each other like so. And then you put a clamp right there. And we're extra loud. So we're gonna finish that tonight.
Dan, we're not sorry.
Dan's our neighbor. Oh, we gotta take the, let me take the wrapping off. Dallas is in the house, literally.
No, I found the other little shop light. Cam, I think this is the move for me right here.
What's the move?
This car. Get one of these.
These?
Yeah.
You want to get a Fox Body?
Yeah, I'll just slam her to the ground.
Put the wide body in the front with the angle kit?
Idle brake it. Just full send.
So then we have 2 Zs and 2 Fox Bodies?
Yeah.
Are you being serious right now?
100%.
You like these?
The pits will look good, huh, Tanner? Yes.
The pits would look
The
good.
pits, just the two Zs, the 2 Mustang.
Oof.
Gotta get the easy ups going.
Yeah. Hey, what are these mufflers on the ground over here?
That's what hook on.
Oh, those came with the kit?
No, I picked those up when I did the first section off Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist.
Dude, you've been searching and buying things without telling me.
Those were just like cheapies to make it give it a little rumble.
In the living room, these are the shirts we have left. Once these are gone, I'm gonna order some new ones and restock the new design and bring these back later in a couple months or so with a different colorway. So if you guys want to order one of these, I'm gonna leave a code on the screen right now. Use that to go get a discount. Once we wipe these out, we're gonna get some new designs and I wanna keep this rolling, and my goal is to eventually release a new shirt every month. So if you guys wanna help me do that and make that possible, I'd really, really appreciate it. And these shirts are for the people who have learned something or enjoy watching the videos, not anyone else. If you're just new here, don't even trip on it. Tito, what's going on? Riley, you can't sit in that seat. If anyone has a 350Z for sale in Phoenix, please DM Dallas on Instagram. I'm gonna leave his Instagram on the screen. He's looking for a drift car.
Scratch that.
What?
He changed his mind.
Oh yeah, we just talked about a Fox Body.
Or Fox Body, either or.
Either or. Please message him.
Serious buyer.
Serious buyer.
Cash in hand.
Will pay worth more than it's worth.
Not too much over Kelly Blue Book though.
Where are we at?
And the clamp here.
Are you excited for this? You seem very antsy to get this done. You look like me or Trevor.
You gonna sit over here when I start it?
No.
Alright, just gotta let it be natural. Alright.
Oh, it's pretty sturdy. Here we go.
H pipe only.
Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Tito!
Sounds like garbage. It's caca.
Whoa, we need some mufflers, Tito. We need some mufflers.
Is that tail piece longer or shorter on the other one?
This one's longer back here.
Okay, perfect. Really? Just no.
Everything about this car is so different. What is that?
A giant weight. This is how they made traction back in 1991.
Rigidity. 50-pound weights everywhere. Say, can you see? Oh yeah.
I dig it.
Gotta rip it now, or?
Yeah, I gotta put tools away.
All right.
And then I gotta back up and pick up all the bolts.
Want to tell them about the transmission?
Synchro is going out in third and reverse. So when we slam third on Guadalupe, you're gonna hear a little grindage. It's not bad driving. I know what I'm doing. It's a bad transmission.
Yeah, we don't want to hear in the comments.
Yeah. I want to hear you guys.
Keep the hate out of the comments. The car's warm too, okay?
The car's warm, yeah.
Hey, old son. She's gonna rip her bumper off.
Good, I hope she does.
Watch right here. Watch this. Straight up, over there.
This is a security guard?
Straight up.
Golf car?
No,
Or foot?
you got some straight.
Oh, this is slick too. Oh, this is good right here.
Was there really a security?
I swear.
We're gonna have to do a quickie. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Hey, old son.
You won't burn out on this concrete.
I won't.
We're gonna enjoy our Frosties and the rest of our Saturday night. Catch you guys on Thursday. Or, yeah, Thursday.
you.